Welcome to our enlightening exploration of the benefits of using castor oil before bed. Castor oil, derived from the seeds of the castor plant, has been used for centuries for its numerous health and beauty benefits. Unlock the treasure trove of beauty and wellness benefits with a simple addition to your bedtime routine: castor oil. Delve into a world where luscious hair, glowing skin, and overall vitality await, all with the magic touch of this natural elixir. Castor oil, derived from the seeds of the castor plant, has long been celebrated for its remarkable properties. And incorporating it into your nightly ritual unveils a plethora of transformative effects. But the wonders don't end there. Delve deeper, and you'll find castor oil's ability to alleviate a myriad of common ailments. From soothing sore muscles and joints to aiding digestion and promoting relaxation for a restful night's sleep. With consistent use, you'll witness a transformation that goes beyond skin deep, embracing a holistic approach to beauty and well-being that starts with a simple drop of castor oil before bed. Get ready to discover the 12 incredible benefits of incorporating castor oil into your nightly routine and unlock the full potential of this natural wonder. Let's embark on this journey to unlock your true potential and discover the remarkable changes that await when you start using castor oil before bed. 1. Promotes hair growth. This natural remedy is rich in nutrients and fatty acids that nourish the scalp and strengthen hair follicles. Apply a small amount of castor oil to your scalp and massage gently to stimulate blood flow and encourage hair growth. Leave it on overnight and wash it out in the morning for best results. Regular use of castor oil can help moisturize the scalp, prevent breakage, and promote thicker, healthier hair growth. Incorporate castor oil into your bedtime routine for luscious locks that shine with vitality. 2. Conditions hair. To condition hair, begin using castor oil before bed. This natural elixir is packed with nutrients and fatty acids that deeply moisturize and strengthen hair strands. Apply a small amount of castor oil to the lengths and ends of your hair, focusing on dry or damaged areas. Leave it in overnight and rinse it out in the morning for silky smooth, hydrated locks. Regular use of castor oil helps reduce frizz, prevent split ends, and promote overall hair health. 3. Improves skin health. To enhance skin health, introduce castor oil into your bedtime routine. Rich in antioxidants and fatty acids, castor oil deeply moisturizes and nourishes the skin. Apply a small amount of castor oil to your face, focusing on dry areas or areas prone to wrinkles. Massage gently in circular motions until absorbed. Leave it on overnight and wake up to soft, supple skin. Castor oil helps reduce inflammation, soothe irritation, and promote collagen production for a youthful complexion. 4. Fights signs of aging. Combat signs of aging by incorporating castor oil into your nightly routine. This natural elixir is rich in antioxidants and fatty acids that penetrate deeply into the skin, reducing fine lines, wrinkles, and age spots. Apply a small amount of castor oil to your face before bed, focusing on areas prone to aging. Gently massage it into the skin in circular motions. Leave it on overnight to allow its rejuvenating properties to work their magic. 5. Strengthens nails. Strengthen your nails by incorporating castor oil into your nightly routine. This natural remedy is packed with nutrients that nourish and fortify brittle nails, promoting strength and resilience. Before bed, massage a small amount of castor oil into your nails and cuticles, ensuring even coverage. Leave it on overnight to allow the oil to penetrate deeply and work its magic. With regular use, castor oil helps prevent breakage, splitting, and peeling, leaving your nails strong, healthy, and beautiful. 6. Relieves joint pain. Relieve joint pain by using castor oil before bed. This castor oil has anti-inflammatory properties that help reduce swelling and discomfort in the joints. Massage a small amount of castor oil onto the affected areas before bedtime, ensuring thorough coverage. Gently massage the oil into the skin to promote absorption and stimulate blood flow. Leave it on overnight to allow the oil to penetrate deeply and soothe achy joints. With regular use, castor oil can help alleviate stiffness, improve flexibility, and enhance overall joint health. 7. Boosts immunity. Boost your immunity by using castor oil before bed. This natural elixir contains antimicrobial properties that help fight off infections and strengthen the body's defenses. Massage a small amount of castor oil onto your chest, throat, and lymph nodes before bedtime. The oil's warming effect helps stimulate circulation and enhance immune function. Leave it on overnight to allow the oil to absorb and work its magic while you sleep. With regular use, castor oil can help support a robust immune system, keeping you healthy and resilient against illnesses. 8. Improves sleep quality. Improve sleep quality by using castor oil before bed. This natural oil helps promote relaxation and reduce stress, leading to better sleep. Massage a small amount of castor oil onto your temples, neck, and chest before bedtime. The oil's soothing properties calm the mind and body, easing tension and anxiety. Leave it on overnight to allow the oil to absorb and work its magic while you sleep. With regular use, castor oil can help regulate sleep patterns, enhance sleep quality, and promote a deeper, more restful slumber. 9. Strengthens eyelashes and eyebrows. Strengthen your eyelashes and eyebrows by using castor oil before bed. This natural elixir is rich in nourishing nutrients that promote hair growth and thickness. Using a clean mascara wand or cotton swab, apply a small amount of castor oil to your lashes and brows before bedtime. The oil's moisturizing properties penetrate deeply, strengthening hair follicles and preventing breakage. Leave it on overnight to allow the oil to work its magic while you sleep. 10. Softens lips. Soften your lips by using castor oil before bed. This natural remedy is rich in moisturizing properties that hydrate and nourish the delicate skin on your lips. Before bedtime, apply a small amount of castor oil to your lips using your fingertips or a lip brush. The oil's emollient texture penetrates deeply, softening rough patches and soothing dryness. Leave it on overnight to allow the oil to absorb and work its magic while you sleep. With regular use, castor oil can help restore moisture balance, leaving your lips smooth, supple, and kissably soft. 11. Supports digestive health. Support digestive health by using castor oil before bed. Castor oil has been used for centuries to promote digestion and relieve constipation. Before bedtime, consume a small amount of castor oil orally. The oil's lubricating properties help soften stool and stimulate bowel movements, aiding in the elimination of waste and toxins from the body. Leave it to work its magic overnight while you sleep. With regular use, castor oil can help regulate bowel movements, alleviate digestive discomfort, and promote overall gastrointestinal wellness. 12. Enhances lash and brow growth. Enhance lash and brow growth by using castor oil before bed. This natural elixir is rich in nourishing nutrients that stimulate hair follicles and promote thicker, fuller lashes and brows. Using a clean mascara wand or cotton swab, apply a small amount of castor oil to your lashes and brows before bedtime. The oil's moisturizing properties penetrate deeply, strengthening hair strands and encouraging healthy growth. Embracing the practice of using castor oil before bed is not merely a beauty regimen but a holistic journey towards enhanced well-being. The benefits extend far beyond what meets the eye, offering a profound transformation that touches every aspect of your body, mind, and spirit. By incorporating castor oil into your nightly routine, you unlock a treasure trove of beauty benefits, from promoting hair growth and nourishing your skin to soothing muscle pain and enhancing relaxation. With each application, you're not just indulging in self-care but investing in your overall health and vitality. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to our channel, and share this video with your friends. Until next time, sweet dreams and stay beautiful.